Spin Master Monster Jam Series 12 Wolf's Head. On the back of the card, Wolf's Head is in the Rough Crowd series, and it comes with the wristband. Of course, this was for 2020. The other trucks in Series 12 is Earthshaker, Aftershock, Gravedigger, Freebird, Megalodon, W, which is for Whiplash, Wonder Woman, and the ride truck of Blue Thunder. I was surprised to see Wolf's Head on a peg in Walmart because it was from 2020, and I didn't know if I would ever see a Wolf's Head. Or the other truck that I wanted to also get in the series was Aftershock and hopefully the Blue Thunder ride truck. But I'm glad that I was able to get Wolf's Head. The other trucks that I'm going to be unboxing here coming up is the Bulldozer and the Monster Mutt Rottweiler from Mix 17, so be on the lookout for those unboxings and reviews. So let's go ahead and unbox Wolf's Head and take a closer look. I don't remember what was the poster for Series 12, so let me take a look here real quickly. Megalodon flying high at the Monster Jam World Finals. And here is the wristband that we get for Wolf's Head. I really like the red beadlock rings that they have on the wheels. Back here it says Wolf's Head, and then motor oil. Right here we have a Monster Jam logo, and then down here is also a sponsored logo. Really like the texture of the wolf's head. You can feel it like the fur of the animal. He has a red eye looking, coming around to the front. We got some teeth on the side of the truck, and then in the front we have a lot of the teeth and his nostril, and then going up and everything we have the texture of the wolf with his nostril or nose where the hood of the truck would be. Then coming around to the other side, here we go with another shot of the opposite side of the truck. Then in the back we get Wolf's Head and then motor oil, and then it also says since 1879. So there we go. And then up top on the roof we get a nice little thing of Wolf's Head, and the same thing, motor oil, and since 1879. Big windshield in the front, and the chassis is red, which I'm guessing they went with that with the for the beadlock wheels, and then also with the red wolf that is on the logo right there, and also on the back. Also want to mention real quickly is the ears that they have on the truck is really cool too. They're like flying back. I really like that. You can kind of see it on the side also, which is nicely designed. But yeah, this is really cool. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review of Wolf's Head.